please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/The Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I have some Udon from Maruchan, Japan. Came out of a Zen Pop box. What? Where's your unicorn? You can show the nice people in the studio audience your unicorn. You'd have to bring it over this way though. But yeah, we went on a walk today. That was good. Here's some of the bits from the bowl. Some powdery powder I'll throw in right now. Liquid that goes in at the end. It is Thursday, January 30th? I do believe. Let me make sure. Yes, it is Thursday, January 30th, 2020. This is 2020. I haven't heard anybody say that in a while. Thankfully. So, you add all this stuff in, give a little bit of a swizzle. And then slap a lid on it for 5 whole minutes. Where's your unicorn? Nobody can see it. Bring it over here so the people can see. Do you want to see people? It'll show up over there. Mimi, bring your unicorn. Oh. Well, the timer's timer's set. It's not going. Mimi, bring your unicorn. Maybe she doesn't really have a unicorn. Maybe it's make-believe. Well, pick it up. Carry it over. Her unicorn is on the floor, ladies and gentlemen. Bring it over to the fence. Get off the couch, Mimi. She said, no, I'm sitting on the couch. It's like, wow. 3 years old. Holy moly. Yeah, what did I do? I did 14,000 steps going back and forth out here. And then it was time to go. And we went on a walk, and I got back, and I had like 29,500. Where's your balloon? What? What's the matter? Uh-oh, what happened? Unicorn has to be on the floor. Unicorn is not to be freaked out. Unicorn likes you. But yeah, got her a unicorn. And she's really happy about it. but it was sitting on the couch, so it hit the ceiling, so she lost her mind just a moment ago. But that's okay. Yeah. What's your unicorn's name? What's its name? Nay. Cool. Yeah. And we went and we stopped by a construction site, and they had all the backhoes going, full bore. So that was pretty cool. She really dug that. That's fun. Like to make her watch construction going on. And yeah. Oh, I should tell you. You may have noticed if you're in the group or you check out the Facebook. For years, Pokemon Go wouldn't work on my phone. Well, now I'm got Pokemon Go on my phone, and it's also got a step counter, so it's like, yep, I'm doing that crap. I apologize. I might post a thing once in a while saying, hey, send me gifts or something like that. I know. In fact, I used to, like, my sister's really into it. I'd be like, hey, we were thinking of coming and visiting you and Mom. And she'd say something like, oh, well, I won't be around. I have to go to a Pokemon raid. And it's like, dude, really? I don't think I'll ever get that bad. I hope I don't. Somebody shoot me if I do. But, what's going on? People need to lighten up on me talking about politics, because when you get mad at me talking about politics, it just makes me want to talk about politics that much more. Threatening that you'll never watch another one of my videos, I really don't care. So. She's really into the unicorn, can you tell? Are you happy? Good. $5. $5 can buy you happiness at Safeway's floral department, let me tell you. And we got about 30 seconds to go. Oh, and I got a new beverage to try. I saw this, they had it there. It's called Coca-Cola Energy. Oh, I thought it was cherry. I thought it said it was cherry energy. Guarana, caffeine. Oh, what a letdown. I thought it was cherry Coke. That's like my favorite. No, it's not. It's definitely not cherry Coke. Pretty good though. Tastes like Coke. Coca-Cola. Yeah, it's a beverage, a fizzy beverage. Okay, here we go. So, being 10-10 men, it's got like this mince, the mince pork. I'm gonna add some of this here. This is the liquid sachet. It's not your birthday. Like, is it her birthday? Is she having a birthday party? Because, you know, we had to tie it to the stroller and I wheeled it home and it kept, the horn on the unicorn kept bashing me in the eye, you know. That's okay. But yeah. People were like, oh, is it her birthday? I'm like, no. It's not. That was last month around this time. No, I like to do little things like this for my kids every once in a while, just out of the blue as a surprise. 'Cause that's so wrong. Alright. Let's give this a taste. Maruchan Dandan Udon. Loving it. Wow. That's fun to eat. Nice broth. The little bits go. I like it. Enjoy your unicorn. Eat your luncheon and enjoy your unicorn, Mimi. It's the thing to do. It didn't pop. We don't want it to pop. Not at this point. All right, here we go. Do you like your unicorn? Go hang out with it. You gotta pet your unicorn. You gotta sing it songs. You could sing it a Daniel Tiger song, but you gotta go sing songs to your unicorn, okay? And then go, yeah, that's probably really appropriate to sing Hello Kitty songs to that unicorn. You do? Go ahead. Oh, I don't sing the Hello Kitty songs. That's you. Yeah, see, that doesn't sound right. Oh. Papa's doing a very delicate operation right now. And since it's miso Tantan Men, we're gonna take a little bit of this corn. Yeah. You know what? You know, life is just too short not to add Baoganma. You want a horsey ride? I'm working here. I don't think it's gonna. You can't get a horsey ride from the unicorn balloon. That's for sure. Yeah. Some seeds. All right. I think we're good. Yeah. I'm calling that. That looks nice. Okay. You ready? That looks good. God, that's hard not to eat that. Boy. Okay, Rotato. Yeah, this is really good stuff. Yeah, wow. All right, this has been Ons the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Have a good one. Bye.